English Persian. Master, can, equals.
توانستن.
Welcome aboard. Hey, you. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more free resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Strap in for a cheerful sprint through the English Persian superverb, can, aka.
توانستن.
Side effects may include sudden confidence and telling your coffee mug, yes, we can, refill. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say every common form of can smoothly. Ready to flex your voice and your smile? Main verb, can, to be able to.
توانستن.
Note, ability uses.
توانستن.
Permission often uses.
اجازه.
Permission. Pro tip. Keep your rhythm, emitava, and go. Forms in action. Repeat after me, nice and bold. I'll pause so you can echo. Can, infinitive.
توانستن.
I can.
میتوانم.
You can, sing.
میتوانی.
He can.
او میتواند.
She can.
او میتواند.
It can.
میتواند.
We can.
میتوانیم.
You can, plural, formal.
شما میتوانید.
They can.
آنها میتوانند.
Mini dialogue. Coffee-fueled courage. Listen first, then try to mimic the melody and timing. A. Can we finish today? B. Yes, say.
میتوانیم.
And start. A. He can fix the Wi-Fi, right? B. Yep.
او میتواند.
A. She can join later. B. Exactly.
او میتواند.
A. If it rains, it can get noisy. B. True.
میتواند.
Coach. Team, we can do it. Crowd.
میتوانیم.
Say it with me, quick drill. You speak, I cheer. Go for clean consonants and long, A. I can help.
میتوانم کمک کنم.
Can you help me? Sing.
میتوانی به من کمک کنی.
He can swim fast.
او میتواند سریع شنا کند.
She can arrive on time.
او میتواند سر وقت برسد.
It can wait.
میتواند صبر کند.
We can try again.
میتوانیم دوباره تلاش کنیم.
You, plural, can start now.
شما میتوانید اکنون شروع کنید.
They can succeed.
آنها میتوانند موفق شوند.
Culture tip. A famous Persian proverb powers you up. Persians say,
خواستن توانستن است.
wanting makes. Canning, keep.
توانستن.
On your tongue and your goals in motion. Laugh break. Tiny humor, huge memory. A lazy cat hears.
توانستن.
Blinks and, meowgically, opens its own snack. Proof that vocabulary can feed you. Quick quiz. Answer out loud. I'll give the solution after a short pause. 1. Which Persian verb means can, to be able to? Answer.
توانستن.
2. Say, I can.
میتوانم.
3. Say, you can, to one friend.
میتوانی.
4. You can, to a group, formal.
شما میتوانید.
5. Turn this into Persian, they can help.
آنها میتوانند کمک کنند.
Challenge time. Make 3 mini sentences using different subjects. Try these patterns. I can plus verb, she can plus verb, we can plus verb. For example,
میتوانم امروز کتاب بخوانم. او میتواند نامه بنویسد. میتوانیم با هم تمرین کنیم.
bonus. Say the whole set once more.
توانستن. میتوانم. میتوانی. میتواند. میتواند. میتوانیم. شما میتوانید. آنها میتوانند.
Wrap up. You did it, high five. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these forms daily, revisit this episode, and grab more free drills and courses at www.synapse-lingo.com. Remember,
خواستن توانستن است.
you can.